Caribbean beef stir-fry with vegetables and wine. Here's a Caribbean-inspired beef stir-fry recipe that incorporates onions, peppers, mushrooms, vegetables, and wine. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: 1.5 pounds beef sirloin or flank steak, thinly sliced. 1 large onion, thinly sliced. 1 bell pepper, any color, thinly sliced. 1 cup mushrooms, sliced. 1 cup mixed vegetables, example, broccoli, snow peas, carrots. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, minced. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup Caribbean-style hot sauce, adjust to taste. 1/4 cup red wine, choose a bold variety like Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of dry jerk seasoning. 2 tablespoons thyme, dried. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Cooked rice or noodles for serving. Instructions: marinate the beef. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, red wine, minced garlic, jerk seasoning, ginger, brown sugar, and thyme. Mix well. Add the thinly sliced beef to the marinade, ensuring it's well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Prepare the vegetables. Heat olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the sliced onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, and mixed vegetables to the pan. Stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until they are slightly tender but still crisp. Remove the vegetables from the pan and set aside. Cook the marinated beef. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed. Add the marinated beef slices, reserving the marinade. Stir-fry the beef for 2 to 3 minutes until browned and cooked through. Remove the beef from the pan and set aside. Prepare the sauce. Pour the reserved marinade into the pan. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it slightly thickens. Combine and serve. Add the cooked vegetables and beef back into the pan with the thickened sauce. Toss everything together until well coated and heated through. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the spice level with more Caribbean-style hot sauce if desired. Serve the Caribbean beef stir-fry over cooked rice or noodles. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. Enjoy this flavorful Caribbean-inspired beef stir-fry with the combination of spices, wine, and vibrant vegetables. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with hashtag OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.